Make money online in 24 hours, proven methods. Hey everyone, it's your name, and listen, I get it. Sometimes you need cash fast, right? Like within a day? I've been there. That's why in this video we're diving deep into realistic ways to make money online in just 24 hours. Forget get-rich-quick schemes, we're talking proven websites, methods, and actionable tips you can use right now. Look, I built my career on showing you how to build long-term wealth, but even I know there are times you need a quick win, so whether it's covering an unexpected bill or just having some extra spending money, we've got you covered. We're talking freelancing, online surveys, selling stuff you already own, the works. Stay tuned because I'm breaking down each method step by step, including the exact platforms to use to maximize your earnings in a single day. Let's do this. Now, when it comes to making money quickly online, freelancing is where it's at. Think about it. Everyone has skills. You might be a great writer, a graphic design whiz, or maybe you're amazing at editing videos. Whatever your talent, there's someone out there willing to pay for it right now. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients all over the world. And the best part, you can often start working and getting paid within the same day. Seriously, I've seen people get hired and complete small projects all within a few hours. Okay, let's talk online surveys. Now, I'll be real with you, this isn't gonna replace your day job anytime soon. But if you've got some downtime and want to make an extra $20 to $50, it's a legit option. Sites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie actually pay you for your opinion. I'm talking simple surveys about products, brands, you name it. You won't get rich, but it's an easy way to earn some cash while watching TV or waiting for that food delivery. Chapter 3. Turn clutter into cash selling online. We've all got stuff lying around the house, right? Clothes we don't wear, electronics collecting dust, that old textbook from college. Why not turn that clutter into cold hard cash? Platforms like eBay and Facebook Marketplace make it incredibly easy to sell your stuff online. Seriously, you can list an item in minutes, and with a little bit of hustle, have a buyer lined up within the day. Chapter 4. The Gig Economy. Work when want. The gig economy has exploded in recent years, and for good reason. It gives you the flexibility to work whenever you want and often get paid the same day. We're talking driving for Uber, running errands with TaskRabbit, or even delivering food with DoorDash. Now, these gigs do require you to leave the house, but they offer a ton of earning potential in a short amount of time. Plus, you're your own boss, set your own hours, and can often cash out instantly. Chapter 5. Affiliate Marketing. Earn while you sleep, well, almost. Alright, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This one takes a little more time to see big results, but you can definitely start making money within a day if you hustle. Basically, you're promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on every sale you make. Amazon Associates is a great place to start with millions of products you can promote. Outro. Make money online today. So there you have it. 5 proven ways to make money online in just one day. Remember, it's all about taking action. Don't just watch this video and do nothing. Choose one of these methods, put in the work, and start seeing results. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you make money online quickly. Now get out there and start earning. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks on building wealth and crushing your financial goals.